Welcome to this exciting walking tour of the world-famous San Diego Zoo. Today, we'll explore a fascinating journey through the animal kingdom, starting with the majestic camel, the gentle llama, and the soaring condor. Did you know that camels can drink up to 40 gallons of water in one go and survive without water for days? And llamas, despite their calm demeanor, have a strong protective instinct for their herds. The condor, one of the largest flying birds in the world, plays a crucial role in nature as a scavenger, helping to clean up the environment. Next, we'll venture into the captivating Africa Rocks section, where we'll meet the Hamadryas baboon. These baboons, once revered by the ancient Egyptians, have an incredibly complex social structure, with males leading tight-knit troops in fascinating displays of power and cooperation. So, get ready to dive into the animal world as we discover these incredible creatures up close. Let's get started.
Nice. It's COVID. It's always closed. You know what?
His mama. Remember we just did them? And then we had to buy more sweaters. That's the smell of their food. Look, guys. Can I go see more? Yeah. I thought these are. This is where?
And each doctor's part is age community, or at least hopefully they can get more and more
Hold on, bud. It's gonna fly again. I'm gonna take a picture.
Do it. You can do it. You can do it. Do it. You can do it. Yes. I think I got it. Oh, wow. Did you get it? Not great. Oh, awesome. You have to take it off. Yeah. Wow.
You caught a good one.
But it flew too fast and I wasn't able to catch it.
Really good. How about this one?
Oh, yeah.
He's fine.
Those long legs.
Or like, you don't get licked by that thing. What? That's weird. What's it doing?
Stop spraying the long grass.
Looks like it wants to be in the dark. It's just walking around in circles.
Is he looking for a little Edison to eat?
Oh, it looks like a cat.
He sees you at the... He wants to eat you. What?
No, it's like the form of the rock.
Oh my gosh, it came up.
What are they? Oh, and then
Look at it. Are you?
Let's go back to the other. I don't even know what you want.
Right there. See? Okay.
I just like knocked it.
In one of those San Diego zoo shows, right, that they did, the clip springer had a baby. Look at the bird. Oh, that's red.
No, yeah. Yeah, they're baboons. Yeah.
Probably little bugs.
That
It's probably yours.
But it's skinny.
There you go. I can't look at that. I can't look at the wood.
Probably longer than my
Look, Mama. They're like a colony right there.
The one on top?
Just sit majestically looking at people. What if they're the ones?
That way. They're over here. That's what they say. Good job.
Work on your conveyance, young.
And they compete. Twice as heavy as
I think he's the oldest. He likes like more like yeah. Like como grande y luego es
cheek stuff are killer silver. All those guys are like that.
You're on my cup. ¿Cuál fue? Aquí está. Se ve bien, I think.
Look at me. As long as they don't
Look at dust like
they're paying, they're actually paying to look at that. You notice that. Hands $3 to look at.
Se pela. Oh, I think.
Look at it is.
Yeah.
Yeah. You watch it.
I I think. Yeah, But they're like waiting. They're going to Shanghai. Está viejita. Se le cayó. Which one? Ooh, look at the little baby. Oh, look at down there. Look at that down there. You see it right here? There's so many, huh? Oh, look, there's one.
Please look at that big one.
I know, it's huge, huh? Ooh, there's more over there.
Where's the big one? Look at that big one.
Oh, yes, ¿cuál es que? These little ones?
Where's the big one? Hello, he's sitting down there. Look at the booty. Did their booties get burned?
Looks like it.
Did their booties? They got burned. The booties got burned.
There's some like that'd be scary. The snow monkeys. No, they're not monkeys. Oh, really?
Oh, there's one here. Right here.
Too bright?
Look, Lucy, she's coming right at you, Lucy. Look. Snack him, that's like
Oh, there's a squirrel. They need honey.
Honey?
Alright, Emma. Emma. Well.
Emma, let's go.
We've never done here.
No, they're taking a walk today.
Okay.
What is that? Ooh. Oh,
What am I? Could have been us. Oh no, we should be.
Want to show?
Oh, we need to edit it. We're already up. So that you don't have to walk.
No, I think it's hello. Over here.
Just make sure only one door is open at a time.
Oh, push.
Oh!
They're all talking to you, Elijah.
The birds? That's great. Oh. And you do it in the wild. Yeah.
Hi.
That's cool. I mean, they could have like set it up for it. Yeah. The bird, dude. Look, Wolfie. Oh no, I see him pecking at it.
You can do it better.
Thank you so much for joining me on this walking tour of the San Diego Zoo. I hope you enjoyed learning about these incredible animals, from camels and llamas to the fascinating Hamadryas baboon. If you had fun and want to see more tours like this, be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with your favorite part of the tour. I truly appreciate your time and support. See you on the next adventure.